All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how to customize the course homepage in Google Classroom. So if you want to change a couple of the colors or the themes or something on the homepage, you'll go up to this Customize button in the top right. Then you can select different colors, change the header photo, even upload your own photo for the class. So let's say I want the assignments to appear purple. So I could go over here, click purple, and hit save. And now all of a sudden the assignments appear in the purple color. If I want to modify or change the class code, I could also do that by clicking these three little dots to copy it, reset it, or turn it off. Now, if I actually go up here to this right-hand section, there are three different things that I think are pretty interesting that automatically sync with Google Classroom. The first one here is the Google Calendar. That'll automatically take you into the calendar for the Gmail account that is in Google Classroom. There's also the Google Drive folder, which is associated with the Google Classroom class that is automatically created when you set it up. And then finally, the class settings button, which is what I'm going to end up clicking over here, where you can edit the class details that appear on the home page, as well as some general settings. So say, for example, in the classroom stream, right now it's set to students can only comment, but say I want to change that. So I can click this little drop down and then I could change it to only teachers can post or comment in the class stream. So there's a couple things that you can just modify there as well. As well as the showing deleted items, classwork on the stream, and if you did have the Classroom Meet link set up, that would appear in this blank bottom section. Since I did make some changes, I want to make sure I click this Save button in the top right, and my settings are saved within the class.